Taking the tricycle ride right now all the way to the food fest at Maginhawa. Let's do this, man. Maginhawa Summer Fest. Let's do this.
Please leave a like at the end of this video and subscribe down below for more awesome food adventures. If you haven't already, please follow me, Cherry Jerry, on Twitter, Instagram, Threads, and Facebook. It's great getting to finally meet one of my followers, Criselda Freedom. I love their Taylor Swift stickers. Thank you, Criselda Freedom, for following me on my socials. It was also an honor getting to have Congressman Marvin Rilo on my vlog.
First of all, I would like to congratulate, of course, the organizers of the Maginhawa Food Community, President Jules Kiang. Palakpakan po natin, Jules. Congratulations, partner. Alam nyo, I'm very happy na itong lugar ito is very active, ano? Nakausap ko si Mayor, sabi ni Mayor sa akin, ni Mayor Joy Belmonte. Bilid siya sa mga taga-barangay Sikatuna, Teachers Village, dito sa Maginhawa. Dahil talagang nilalabas yung product ninyo. At ito yung sabi niya, dapat yung Tomas Morato, yung Timog area, ang tagal na nila pero wala silang ganun. Dito sa Maginhawa, very active ang lahat. Kaya sabi ko, Mayor, let us support all the programs and projects ng Maginhawa Food Community dito. Kaya, Jules, let's do this every year. Ngayon pala sinasabi ko na every year, I will be your golden sponsor sa inyong mga events. So, siyempre, pagpupugay sa ating punong barangay ng Barangay Sikatuna, Kapitana Michelle Cruz, Cap Michelle and all the council ng Barangay Sikatuna. Nandito nakikita ko mga kagawads, Barangay Captain na Ana Rosero, Baby Balad, Dito de Torres, Joe Salinas, isang magandang hapon, of course, sa ating SK Chairperson, Bea Albia, of course. Being your congressman, sabi ko nga, we do not only support yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong. We also need to support yung mga maliliit nating negosyante kung paano nila ilabas yung kanilang produkto. Alam nyo mga Pilipino, masisipag yan. Ang kulang lang natin pagkakataon. Rest assured, being your congressman, I will support all your programs para mas maganda at mailabas natin yung talento natin at higit sa lahat, ito na yung simula ng pag-angat natin sa ating buhay. So, Press Jules, asahan nyo, next year, in partnership again with your friend, Congressman Marvin Rillo. Maraming salamat po.
You ever tried shawarma? There's a shawarma booth at Maginhawa Summerfest. I haven't tried Tinyai's shawarma before and I want to try it out. I honestly love Tinyai's shawarma because it brought me back to the first Avengers movie when Tony Stark introduced me to shawarma. I've been addicted to shawarma ever since the Avengers. Tinyai's shawarma is very meaty, juicy, fresh, and delicious. I absolutely love Tinyai's shawarma, especially their 8 Gang vibes. If you haven't already, please follow Tinyai Shawarma on Facebook. These guys are awesome. I hope I get to try out Tinyai Shawarma rice next time. I heard it's the bomb. Let me know in the comments down below, which do you prefer, shawarma rice or shawarma wrap? Thank you very much Tinyai Shawarma for also giving me enough tissues for the bathroom. I almost had a wet incident at the Maginhawa Summerfest. I guess I ate one too many halo-halo before attending, but the point is,
I needed to use a bathroom and unfortunately there's no bathroom in here that has a working toilet, but fortunately these fine sisters over here happily let me use their bathroom. I'm forever grateful for that. They're selling baked goods here where they're going to be giving the profits to some children to help support their education. So I'm going to be buying some of their banana bread because I love banana bread.
I got pretty dehydrated after my trip to the bathroom, but fortunately Escobar Steakhouse is giving away free water to the people. Thank you Escobar Steakhouse for serving the people free water during the Maginhawa Street Festival. Not only do you have a good heart, but you also have good Hungarian sausages. I was honestly hesitant to eat the Hungarian sausage of Escobar Steakhouse with ketchup because in my opinion, the Hungarian sausage of Escobar Steakhouse is good on its own. The Hungarian sausage of Escobar Steakhouse is very meaty, juicy, and savory. Thanks to Escobar Steakhouse, I'm back to enjoying the Maginhawa Summerfest.
So, isang pagbati lang po sa buong community ng Maginhawa na naandito ngayon. I have a speech prepared pero hindi ko mabasa, malabo ng aking mga mata. Kaya gusto ko lang pong bumati. Una sa lahat sa mga punong barangay ng ika-4 na distrito na naandito ngayon in full force to support our activity. Of course, led by the Maginhawa Food Community. So palakpakan natin ang mga punong barangay ng ika-4 na distrito led by, of course, the Barangay Captain of Barangay Sikatuna, punong barangay Mitch Michelle Cruz. Nandito rin si punong barangay Jojo, punong barangay Ana, punong barangay Rick Villaflor is there, and many others. Punong barangay Baby Bala of Botocan is here with us. Kung may mga taga Cruz Taligas dito, meron po ba? Happy Fiesta Cruz Taligas! Fiesta nila, so I'm sure may mga bisita rin sila na naandito, tama? Although kaaway ninyo sila, diba? Nababati ko, wala dapat lahat welcome dito, no? So I just want to thank Jules Giang. Alam ko si Katuna to, pero fiesta kasi ng Cruz Taligas at hindi ako nakapunta kanina dahil napakaaga ng misa nila 7 o'clock. Kaya binabati ko rin sila. But anyway, I just want to thank the Maginhawa Food Community led by Jules. Thank you because since you took over and you formed the Maginhawa Business Association, ay naging napaka-aktibo na ng lugar na ito, ng inyong community. I recall the very first activity we had na ganito karami ang tao, ito yung Maginhawang Pasko natin a few years back, na punong-puno ng mga tao at doon natin nakita yung potential ng ating community to draw many people because we have so much to offer. And so since then, we work with our tourism department. Nandito ang head ng tourism department, si Ma'am Teta Tirona. Akit ka rin dito, Teta. Pawis na pawis dahil hard work talaga. Ang daming ginawang. Nandito rin ang ating action officer of District 4, Action Officer Al Flores. Akit ka na rin dito. Mapunong barangay, akit na rin kayo dito. Because all of this is a group effort. Nung nalaman natin, nakita natin that this area had so much potential to attract visitors dahil they have so much to offer. Nagpasa po ang pamalang lungsod Quezon ng isang ordinansa declaring this area the Maginhawa Food Hub to become a major tourist destination here in Quezon City. At kaakibat po ng deklarasyon na yan ay ang ating commitment na mananatili pong pure ang lugar na ito. Ibig po sabihin, this area will remain a unique to small business owners, maliliit na mga negosyante. Bawal po ang chain restaurants sa Maginhawa area kasi sa tingin ko masisira po character ng lugar natin kung puro chain restaurants ang naandito. Napansin ko kaya tayo dinadayo ay dahil mga maliliit na business owners ang mga narito, mga unique restaurants, mga holes in the wall, mga small businesses na very creative ang hinahandog sa ating pong mga mamamayan. Through the initiative of the business community, ang dami nyo na pala dito, ano, may para tayo magpipicture taking. Through the initiative of the community here, every 3 months, every quarter, nagkakaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng activity, no? And hindi kayo nagsasawa sa pagsuporta, kaya palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Every time we think of an activity, lagi kong sinasabi, Jules, baka hindi na tayo puntahan kasi ang dalas-dalas na natin nagkakaroon ng activity, and yet dumadayo pa rin kayo, sumusuporta pa rin kayo, hindi kayo nagsasawa. At kami naman ng local government together with a business community here and the food community, we always think of new ideas para mas lalo po kayong maengganyo dumalo pagka meron po tayong ganitong mga activities. So hindi na ako magpapakahaba. I have a tendency to talk very long and I'm sorry about that, but I'm really happy. I would like to thank all of the business owners that are participating to make this event a success. Nandyan po sila sa mga booth nila. Tangkilikin po natin sila. Bukod sa mga pagkain, may mga kakaibang pagkain din akong nakita na hindi ko pa natikman o nasubukan. A lot of original ideas are there. And this is really the hub of innovation, tingin ko, when it comes to art and food. Nandyan din pong iba't ibang mga local artisans ng ating lungsod at ng lugar na ito na nagsumusubok magkaroon ng mga negosyante, tinetest yung market through you. Let's support them as well. And to all of the residents from here, Sikatuna and the nearby barangays who have come to support, marami pong salamat sa inyong support. Again, a round of applause to all of us for making this success. Tandaan po ninyo, when the government works together with the barangays and works together with the private sector, kayo po yun, and our communities, the residents, marami po talaga tayong mapagtatagumpayan. And because of what the Maginhawa community has done, marami pong naiinggit sa inyo. Ngayon, kinausap na po ako ng mga taga Tomas Morato, naiinggit excited sila, wala daw pangyayari sa kanilang lugar. Gusto na rin nila magbuo ng kanilang mga local communities para rin mabuhay ang mga negosyo sa Tomas Morato area. And inspired also by what you are doing here in Maginhawa, yung mga kaibigan naman natin na negosyante sa Banawe area, kung saan matatagpuan ang Quezon City Chinatown. Nag-iisip na rin na magkaroon, hindi lang pag Chinese New Year, kundi every quarter or even every month ng ganitong klaseng mga festivals para dayuhin din ang Banawe area ng iba't ibang mga residente para naman mag-enjoy tayo kahit na mainit, kahit na may climate change, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ligaya dito sa Lungsod Quezon kasi naandito ang suporta natin para sa isa't isa. So hindi na po ako magpapakahaba ulit. Tanggapin po ninyo ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo, sa inyong pagsuporta, sa mga negosyante na nandito, sa walang sawa ninyo pag-isip ng magagandang mga ideas para matuwa naman ang ating mga residente, ang ating mga kasama dito sa ating communities. So I would like to extend my congratulations to everyone that is part of the success of this endeavor. Sa lahat ng mga barangay officials na nandito, led again by Barangay Sikatuna ha? Pero alam ko maraming hindi taga-barangay Sikatuna na andito. We welcome all of you and we thank you for supporting our activity. Sa lahat ng mga negosyante, maraming salamat. Again, congratulations. Alam kong malaki sigurang kita ninyo sa araw na ito. Tuloy-tuloy lang po sana ang ating mga gawain at tandaan po ng mga maliliit na negosyante sa Lungsod Quezon, meron po tayong maraming programa para suportahan ang small businesses natin. Kasama na ang financial assistance, capital assistance at marami pang iba. So continue to work with the government so that we can create a thriving local economy and provide jobs and livelihoods to our people. So again, congratulations to all of us. Alam ko hinihintay na natin yung next performer. But thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Ipagpatuloy lang po natin itong mga ginagawa natin ito. Mabuhay ang Maginhawa Food Community. Mabuhay tayong lahat mga Q citizens and God bless you all. Maraming po salamat sa inyo.
Once again, let's so welcome Sailor Cheers!